Ah! Oh. Oh!
Belly is a little bit clumsy. Wow, look at him go.
Who, Max?
Mm-hmm.
I know. He's pretty fast for a big dog. Come here, Max. Come here, Max. Drop the ball. Come on. Drop the toy.
Can you videotape?
Sure.
Max,
If I could see it.
if I can catch him.
That'd be like...
Wow.
Oh, it's so hard to keep the camera rolling. I'm not too good at...
Here, Felly.
Oh, there he is. It's so... I've never been cameraman before.
Felly, woohoo! You want that one?
Now I see why a lot of camera operators have a little thingy to block out the sun.
Get it, Felly. Yay, Felly.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Which one did that, Felly?
Yeah.
I'm trying to
I
keep...
think she wants him to... Felly, that's enough. That's enough.
Ah,
Calm down.
where's Max? Oh, there he is.
You want this one, Felly?
That's cute.
Good boy. No. Drop it. Max. No. He knows he has an advantage. That's
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, you found the other one, Felly. You. Can I have it? Drop it. Good girl. All right, ready? Nice, Felly. Where's your ball, Max? There it is.
I'm gonna try getting underneath the tree. Maybe that'll... Ah. Oh, that's way better. Max. Max. Come here, boy. Drop the ball.
Drop. Okay.
I'm trying to follow Mac. Whoa! Saw a hole and didn't see it in time. Oh, where is he?
Oh, so he gets away from me and drops it.
No, he picked it up. Can I have it? Come on, Max. Max!
All right, now I got you.
Maximum puppy.
Head up.
Aww.
Give me the ball. Come on. Give it. Good boy.
I got that on video, Rob. Good job. Right when he gave it to you, I got it on video. Whoa! I think I better put pads and fence posts here. No kidding.
Nice, guys.
Yeah.
Some nice playing. Now, Felly, that's the one.
Huh.
Hey, where'd the ball go?
I have no... I think Max... Where's Max? I think Felly's got a new best friend.
Where's the ball? I see one of them.
Huh.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh, he does? Oh, he's playing keep away.
He likes to be chased.
So does Teddy. Max is like, catch me if you can.
Right on, Felly. She got the ball.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
good
a
girl,
smart
Felly.
girl.
Look at her, she's wagging her tail.
What a smart girl. He got it back. That's good. They're sharing.
Yeah.
Good puppies. Good puppies.
Oh. Oh. Good thing I got another tank top.
Now who's got the ball?
Gonna,
I got the ball.
gonna have a ball?
Who wants the ball?
And yes, this time I took my pill
You want it?
before we left. Oh, good. They're drinking out of that bucket. I just put fresh city water in it.
Cute, William.
And my daughter's gonna see about getting.
Billy, don't put that on your video.
Oof!
Come on.
Thank you. I got him on video drinking water out of a 5-gallon bucket.
You guys ready to go home? No more play?
I think Max is worn out. So is Felly.
Oh, I can play.
You want to? Oh, you mean with that? With Felly?
What on earth?
She even stuck her paws in it.
Felly's like, stop dripping on me.
Max.
They're ready.
Yeah. How do I stop this?